this is the garage. It's a pretty good size. So you have all the space. I think you can fit one car. Well, you couldn't really fit two cars, but you can fit at least one car. So this is how it looks like, the complex. It looks a little bit dated, but they're gonna change this in the late summer. They're gonna repaint this place. So this is the reserve parking. It's my car. So the unit is that one, this one. This is the way you walk in. This is how it looks like. How it looks like. I'm taking a video. This is the closet. This is the way where you put your shoes and stuff. TV, high ceiling. This is the way you walk to the bedrooms. This is the fireplace. Dining area. Kitchen. Go outside. This is a heater, extra storage. Neighbors. Looks pretty good. And this is a very nice area. Okay, that's done here. It looks like this. Okay. Kitchen is huge. These are all untouched. So there's a potential of getting this all out and remodel it. Washer and dryer. Good space. It's over here. This is the first toilet. All untouched. Master bedroom has two sinks, extra space. This is the room. This is another space out there. Storage. This is how it looks like. Let's go to the other room. Oh, what is this? Storage. Extra storage. This is the second room. I'm standing at a corner.